Welcome ladies and gentlemen to another video of the Kenyan Creative. Today we are gonna be designing a wedding card. Now I had actually done this design, but then I realized I had not clicked on the microphone. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna show you the design I've already made, and we are going to replicate it step by step so that you can see that how you can actually design the same on your end. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on the design that I've already made, which is this one. Let me click on it. So this is actually the design that I have made just right now, and so I'm gonna be showing you how you can actually replicate it. Okay, so you can see this is actually a wedding card. So I'm gonna be showing you how you can replicate the same on your end. So what we're gonna do is that we're gonna start on a blank page. So let me click on, we are trying to redesign what you're seeing on your screen. Let me zoom a little bit. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna click on add page. We start on an empty page. So the first thing, I want to create this border, and so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna search for border here, border, a rectangular border. Good, something like click on the graphics so that you can see properly which border you lean with. There's no harm with adjusting things, so I think I can pick this goldish. I think it looks okay with me, this goldish border. Of course, if you don't want, you can just pick one that is black and use it. Okay, next we're gonna search for some flowers. Okay, so come here and search for flowers, and you can see there's some very good flowers like this one. You can see so in order to get the specific kind of flower, let me click on the flower and then click on this icon, the info icon, and you can see it is telling me decorative flora border. All right, so I'm gonna copy that word, paste it here, and I'll see some flowers that are actually looking almost the same. Okay, so you can see it is actually this flower you can see here. So click on it, enlarge it a bit, and then put it at the corner like that. That is nice. Then we're gonna put the same flower this side. So I'm gonna click on it, click on duplicate, then rotate it like that, and put it on this end like that. Okay, so I think we are doing good. Next we're gonna use we're gonna put now the text that you're seeing here, but before that, let's search for this element. Click on info, and you can see it is a wedding element. So copy that text, paste it here on the elements tab, and you can see this is actually what we are using. So this one, click on it and put it at the top like that. So I think that's okay. Then next we're gonna click on text and add a little body of text like that, and click on we. So in this case, we're going to click on the text, and as you can see, it is Canva Sans. That's the font. So come back, click on it, and you can see it's also reading Canva Sans, but in this case we're gonna highlight it so that it is bold. Okay, then this one is Brittany. So click on add a little bit of body, then adjust the font to search for Brittany, and you can see that is also going to give you something Brittany. Okay, so it's already changed, and we're gonna use Daniel and Rahmed. So increase the font to what you prefer, something like 18 or 21 or 24. It all depends with what you want. Okay, then we're gonna adjust this color to red. Okay, as it is right here, as you can see, that is a bit of red. Okay, so the other things, blessings of our parents. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna click on the we. I don't have to create, let me click on the we and click on duplicate, then drag it right here, put this one back where it's supposed to be, then this one, drag it here. So with the blessings of our parents, cordially invite you. Okay, so it seems this border is actually a little bit close, so we're gonna enlarge it like that and then change its position to middle and center like that. Good. So then the next thing we're gonna do is the Mrs. and Madam. So I'm gonna click on this, duplicate, then edit it, Mr. stroke Mrs. stroke Madam stroke Sir. Okay, click on it, positioning is center. Even this one, we need to make sure that the positioning is center. This one is centered, so I think it's okay. Alright, then next we need to create a line. So I'm gonna go to the elements tab on my left and search for line, then click the first result, and then I'm gonna adjust this line by going to this border style here. Click on the border style, I want it to be like that. Okay, then next is all these details. So click on this, put duplicates and center it like that and adjust. So the details are here: to witness before God. So write to witness before God as we exchange our vows. Okay, so come here and make it a paragraph. Then the next is this one, on 10th October 2024. So come duplicate this one and then adjust it to on 10th October 2024 at 𝗙cie Gardens in Limuru. Right, make it a paragraph, press enter, and you can see it's okay. So what you can see here, this one, it is differing because of the text size we have used. As you can see, this one is actually font 12, and here it is actually font 9.2, and this one is font 27. So let's adjust this to 28 like that. Good. So you can see we have actually made a poster. If you actually look, it's actually looking nice. Of course, you can adjust the positioning if you're not okay with it, but always make sure there is something called alignment. That is how things relate to each other. So this line relates to this place, and then this one is okay. So let's adjust this color to red just for emphasis. So I'm gonna click on text color, click on red, and then this one I'm gonna click so that is also red. Okay, so for the font, I think I'm feeling it's too plain, so let's search here for white wedding background, and then we are gonna drag a good background to be the background of this poster. Okay, so let's